Alright. Happy Friday for me, motherfuckers. So, service call. We're get on this roof, see what we got going on. We got a little pot. Colorado. Ah! It's pretty funny. See you in a minute. Friggin' hot air balloon. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm letting our new technician diagnose this, and then if he needs help, he's gonna ask me. So, got a carrier. Said it won't cool past 74, so. I knew second stage wasn't gonna work. It may not need it right now, but we gotta go. So we gotta kick that stat down and see what's going on. Okay. We'll just do a full fucking shot. Side. In case that arc flashes on your ass. All right. So what we found? Contactor. It's 208, 240 coil. This one's got 208 going across, 120 and 120. This one has 120 and 120. Nothing going across. Dun 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 dun. So we got a bad contactor. This guy. So we're gonna go get a new contactor, get swapped out, and then we'll show you it working. Be here right back in a few. Y1, Y2. So to show you this contactor, I took the whole thing apart. Let's see.
Like that, right? There we go. Should work. Okay. Ready.
So now we go here.
It's going, Dennis. Ready?
Yeah. There.
Boom!
Yeah, there, but if you go here to here, coil's broke somewhere. I'm gonna take it home and unravel it and see. It's good there. And it looks good there. So, somewhere it's broke.
I don't know what the delay is on this thing.
See, it's got barely, it's got high resistance. So, it's not connected though, it's not even reading. It's crazy, boy. Contactors. Garbage. There's this one, a bunch of pieces. Bunch of garbage. Same shit. Original, changed out these three. And we'll see what happens. Ta-da. And once you go fire it up, and first stage isn't coming on now. So what I did, because we have a failed caaLL board, what you can do, since we have power coming in on 2 to 3 is your relay. So if you have power on 2 and it's not closing, right, when you get 24 here, if it's not sending your 24 to 3, well, so that 3 comes up and sends 24 here, what you can do to get them by is you can just take a piece of wire, tie it in with number 2, there's your 24 signal, and you can tie it right to there with a double spade. So in this way you can jump around that caaLL board, and it makes it a little bit easier. So, but I'll wait for it to kick on here in a sec, and check her out, make sure that it's good to go, and that'll be it. So,
I wish we was doing residential, man. It's easy money. They don't pay nothing.
I agree.
That's right. When I go back there.
So I got your wire from 2, no power on 3, so that's okay. Now we just replaced our wire. So now we got both stages on, blower and fan. That's pretty much it. Fucking caaLL board and a contactor. Like, subscribe, see you in the next one. Rock and roll.